Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the vertical tab layout is something that Google has been pushing out slowly in the desktop browser, and the emphasis there is more on slowly. And it's trickling into the stable version in different regions, but is on a very controlled rollout. But nonetheless, just to let you know that if you are one of those who are using vertical tabs in Chrome, or when it does make it to your region, intend to use vertical tabs, that Google is rolling out a feature that's going to be improving the usage of collapsing and expanding the vertical tab layout, where Google has added a keyboard shortcut to quickly collapse and or expand the vertical tab panel in Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version. And apparently this is one of the most requested features by those who use vertical tabs. So I thought I'd just make this quick video just to keep you guys in the loop if vertical tabs is something that you are using or planning to use. So all we do is Ctrl+Shift+L on our keyboard, and there we go. Ctrl+Shift+L. And I think that's great, especially if you are using the feature. As mentioned, a highly requested feature for those using vertical tabs, Ctrl+Shift+L. And apparently this option is something that the Edge browser does not offer. So Google is one up on Microsoft Edge, where with vertical tabs previously, Google was trying to play catch up with Microsoft Edge. So keyboard shortcut to quickly collapse expand is now being tested, and I don't see why that wouldn't make its way to the stable version eventually, seeing that it's a highly requested feature. I think it's only a matter of time before that does make it down to stable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.